In this video, we're going to show you 4 simple tips for working with images in your wireframes. Tip 1. Adding an image to your placeholders. We will select an image placeholder, click the image icon from the quick toolbar, and choose an image from the uploads. As you can see, the image gets added within the placeholder dimensions. We can adjust the view using the zoom and pan options to align the image exactly the way we want. Tip 2. Fill multiple image placeholders with AI. When we have multiple image placeholders, we can select all of them at once, click the AI icon, and choose Fill Image Placeholders. Based on the content of the wireframe, AI will automatically generate relevant images for each placeholder. Tip 3. Remove image backgrounds. Click on any image and choose Remove Background from the AI options. The background of the selected image will be removed instantly. Tip 4. Add icons to image placeholders. We can also use image placeholders to add icons. Just select the placeholder, click the image icon, and upload an SVG icon. We can also pick icons directly from the MockFlow icon library and customize them to match our design. Try these image tips in your wireframes and stay tuned for more wireframing tips in the upcoming videos.